Imagine a world where the sun rises in the west and sets in the east, where the wind blows in the opposite direction and the tides flow backwards. This is the world that we would live in if the Earth started spinning backwards. But what would actually happen if this were to occur? If the Earth suddenly started spinning backwards, the effects would be catastrophic. The atmosphere would continue to move in its original direction, creating massive winds and storms. The oceans would also be disrupted, leading to tsunamis and flooding. In addition, the Earth's magnetic field would be weakened, making us more vulnerable to harmful radiation from the sun. And the planet's climate would change dramatically, with some regions becoming much hotter or colder than they are now. Of course, the chances of the Earth actually starting to spin backwards are extremely slim. But it's a fun thought experiment to consider. And it's a reminder of how fragile our planet is, and how important it is to protect it. Now, let's say that the Earth did somehow start spinning backwards, and that we were able to survive the initial cataclysms. What would our world look like in the long term? Well, we know that the Earth's rotation plays a major role in its climate. The sun's heat is distributed more evenly around the planet because of its rotation, and this helps to create a stable climate. If the Earth stopped rotating, or if it started spinning backwards, the sun's heat would be distributed more unevenly. This would lead to more extreme weather events, such as hurricanes and droughts. Ocean currents are also produced by the Earth's rotation. These currents are crucial for controlling the climate of the Earth and moving nutrients throughout the globe. Ocean currents would shift direction if the Earth's rotation ceased or reversed. In addition to potentially upsetting food chains and ecosystems, this would have a significant effect on the temperature of the world. A backwards spinning Earth would have a lot of other effects in addition to those on climate and weather. For instance, the cycle of day and night would be reversed. Given that our bodies are accustomed to a 24-hour day-night cycle, this would significantly affect human physiology and behavior. Another consequence of a backwards rotating Earth would be changes in the appearance of the sky. For example, the constellations would be different, and the moon would rise in the west and set in the east. Overall, a backwards rotating Earth would be a very different place from the world that we live in today. It would be a more dangerous and unpredictable place, with a much harsher climate. But it would also be a fascinating place to study, and it would teach us a lot about the importance of the Earth's rotation and its role in our planet's ecosystem.